I've had my NoCry safety glasses that fit over eyeglasses for almost 2 years now. And if you wear eyeglasses like I do, I think you'll like them as much as I have liked them. Here's what I said about them almost 2 years ago, shortly after I started wearing them.
Here's what I like about them. First, they actually fit over my glasses properly. Now I know that's not a high bar, but I've never found ones that actually did. And I think what makes it work is these adjustable arms, because you can adjust the arms so they fit properly to your glasses and your head. They're comfortable on my ears because instead of using hooks that go behind and pull on your ear, they have soft grip pads so that they hold on the side of your head. They're even comfortable when wearing ear protection, which is really something that's hard to find. They actually have protection all around, bottom, sides, and top. This means when I'm cutting or drilling, my eyes are protected from the sawdust and the chips that are flying up. They have impact-rated anti-scratch lenses that protect you if something flies up, protecting not only yourself, but also from your eyeglasses getting scratched.
What I said back then still stands today. I use them to protect my eyes when cutting wood or metal, installing pot lights, or vacuuming leaves. They're the perfect solution for DIY projects inside or outside your home. Amazon sells over 1,000 of these every single month, and it's not hard to see why, because they are the best solution, in my opinion, for protecting your eyes if you wear eyeglasses. You can use the link in the description below to get your pair today. I bought my NoCry safety glasses almost 2 years ago, and recently they asked to partner with me so I could share my real-world experience with you. And so if you use the link in the description, I may get a little bit of extra commission from them. Thanks for watching.